Now we are going to discuss elimination method. Meaning of elimination means eliminate, terminate, omit. So one of the variable is eliminated and we get the value of one variable, remaining variable first, and after that we get the value of second variable. We take the example here, question number 4, first 4. So we are doing in this way by elimination method. What are the requirements of elimination method? First, we have to make the coefficient of one of the variable x and y equal. Then we subtract or add according to the situation. Here, let us proceed. X upon 2, here simple. First we will write question x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to minus 1. So here first we write the questions, then we will do the operation. So this is 1 from the questions we have taken. Second, x minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. This is x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equal to minus 1. X minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. So this is equation 2. So this is equation 2. Now here all the terms, the coefficient of the variable are fractions mostly except x. So first we change the two equations which have coefficient as integers. So here from, because here we have written only questions, so from we can write or directly we can proceed from here also. From equation 1, here it is written x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to minus 1. When we x upon 2, 2y upon 3, so LCM will be 6. LCM will be 6. Here x upon 2, 2y upon 3. LCM will be 6, or we can take the LCM 2 and 3, that will be 6. Denominator, LCM of denominator, and multiply all the terms by 6. So we can write multiplying both the sides by 6. When we multiply it, okay, nothing, this is 6, and simply we can also add x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3, hardly matters. So when we multiply 6 into x by 2, it will become 3x. 6 into x by 2, 6 into x by 2 here, so we get 3x. So this is 3x plus 2y upon 3. So 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 4y is equal to minus, it will become 6. Or we can here also simply we can proceed like this. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So x should be multiplied by 3 and 2y should be multiplied by 2. So x should be multiplied by 3. So it will become 3x plus here 2y upon 3. So 2y should be multiplied by 2. So 4y. Here 3x 4y upon 6. When 6 comes here, it becomes minus 6. So it depends on you. You can use this directly or you can use this. So I eliminate this line. So simply, okay, so we have 3x plus 4y upon 6 equal to minus 1. So 3x plus 4y minus 6. So this becomes equation 3. This becomes equation 3. Now we can write from equation 2. What is equation 2? X minus y upon 3. X minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. Here again we can say here x upon 1, y upon 3. LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. So x should be multiplied by 3. So 3x minus y, when 3 comes right side, it will multiply, it will be 9. Again I repeat, here we can take the LCM of 3 and 1 because remaining denominator is 1, that is 3. Multiplying both the sides by 3, 3 into x, 3x minus 3 into y by 3. 3 will cancel. So minus y, 3 into 3, 9. So this will become equation 4. Now we concentrate equation 3 and 4. Here we have to make one of the coefficient we have to here one of the coefficient should be equal. Now here, if here see here x, the coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of x is 3. So no need to multiply any equation by any number because already coefficients are equal. If coefficients are not equal, then we multiply the suitable number to make the coefficient equal. For example, if you want to remove y first, so it should be equation 4 should be multiplied by 4, so it will become 4y. Now 4y. If you add this, then these two will be cancelled. But here the sign is same, so we have to subtract. Now again I repeat, we have to make one of the coefficient equals. Here we see coefficient of x3, coefficient of x3. So one job is done. Now here we have to cancel. So 3x should be subtracted from 3x. Then 3x will cancel. So directly we will write here. Here directly we will write subtracting equation 4 from equation 3. So when we subtract, so how we write here? First we have 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. So here 3x minus 4y, here we take as here 3x plus, here third equation 3x plus 4y. So 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6, and second is 3x minus y equal to 9. So this is 9. Because we are going to subtract here 3x plus 4y minus 6, 3x minus y equal to 9. We need not to multiply. Okay. Here, because already coefficient are same, but here we are going to subtract. So here sign will be changed. Here plus sign, so it will become minus sign. Again here, this is minus sign. This is minus sign, so this will become plus sign. again
ये
here
स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही। एक बार वापिस समझा दो ना।
wait for few minutes, I will repeat, don't worry, I am going to repeat, so wait for few minutes please. So I am going to repeat again. Here sign will be minus. So what happened now? Here we have to subtract. So 3x will cancel. 4y plus y, 5y minus 6 minus 9. So this will, when we write, then 4y plus y, 5y is equal to 9 minus 9 minus 6 minus 15. So here y equal to, minus 3. Now putting the value of y, in anyone, in equation 4. When we put the value in equation 4, so here this is equation 4, 3x, we get minus 3, so minus minus plus 3, 3x plus 3, so this is 3x plus 3 is equal to equation 4, 9. So when this will be 3x is equal to 9 minus 3, 6. So the value of x is equal to 2. In this way, we get the value as x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. So value is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. This is the answer. Okay.